Hello, we are from BE4323 Embedded Controller Technology. We are doing the mini project which is simple washing machine. Our group have two members which always EA18001 and TCMV EA18015. We are from section 2B, which the lecturer is Mr. Badarudin bin Muhammad. So for the introduction, we are using STM32 F013 C6 microcontroller for the objective. In this one is our slide, objective, methodology, which is considered component list, the flow charts, and the design philosophy. You have the image of the produce software and the Q Microsoft Cushion software. So simulation result will show our result that get from running. So let's start for our projects report. Project report we abstract, which we say analyze the difference between STM32F013X4, C4 or C6 performance line family with the high performance with uncontext M3 32-bit RISC core operating at the 72 MHz frequency. So introductions. STM32 is a family of microcontroller ICs based on the 32-bit RISC ARM context. So in our project we are using Cortex M3. So here with all the introduction, the explanation for the STM32 family. For our project we are using STM32F103C46, which have a low density performance lines family operates from a 2.0 to 3.6 voltage power supply. Is available in both the -40 until +85 degrees Celsius temperature range and the -40 to +105 degrees Celsius extended temperature range. The STM32F103 low density performance lines family includes the device in 4 different package types, from 36 pins to 64 pins. So here is all the key features of the STM32F103. So we can see all its explanation: core, memories, clock reset and supply management, low power, until the package are echo packed. So our objective for the project is to design the circuit for simple washing machine using Proteus software and to develop the set coding for simple washing machine using Q Microversion software. So in methodology we have two things, which is the component list of the project and the flowchart of the project. So for the component that used in this project is STM32F10366 microcontroller. The second one is resistor 220 ohm. Third is the LED, which we using the blue color one. Fourth is the push button, and fifth is the counters. So now until the flowchart for the project. Start with the start, then we analyze all the inputs, then we read all the inputs and mode. So this one is the water level looping. Each have each operation. So the second one is the timer of the washing machine loop. The third one is our case. We are doing 7 case in this project. So last we will end our project. This is our flowchart. So for the design philosophy, this is the overall image of our Proteus software, which has the controller, the push button, the LED, the resistor, and also the counters. So this one is the beginning part of the completed coding in Q Microsoft Cushion. To refer the completed coding for the project, we can refer at the appendix section and below. So for the simulation results, for this result we are doing 3 results, 3 process. Which for the process 1, we are selecting 3 modes. All the modes: wash, rise, spin. by the water level, we choose 1. The water level is default with nothing addition time and extra 10 more minutes, so we get a total 40 minutes. This process 2, we are also selecting all the 3 modes, which is wash, rise, spin. While the water level, we choose level 2, which extra 10 minutes, and last we select extra 10 minutes for the running process, which get total 50 minutes for the process 2. The process 3, as usual, we are selecting all the 3 modes, which is wash, rise, spin. Or for the water level, we choose the highest level, which is level 3, with the addition 20 minutes, and last extra 30 minutes for the running process. We will get the total 80 minutes for whole process. Lastly, we still can run other process by setting different modes, which need to follow the user's condition. Each user have its own condition. So, as
Hello guys, this basically is the project that we did for the courses embedded, and we are using STM32F103C6 microcontroller, and now I'm going to demonstrate how the simplest washing machine run. So you can see that there is a 10 LED light, LED indicator, and 2 BCD 7 segments. So now this basically is the standby mode. So if the washing machine are ready to use, so the standby LED indicator will light up. So for this part, you can see that there is 3 LED, and which is labeled for wash, rinse, and spin. So if this basically is the mode for the washing machine, and each of the LED indicator is controlled by the push buttons. And if you press the push button, so the LED light will light up. That means you choose the mode to run. And we move to the next one, which is the water level. As you can see, there is level 1 water level, level 2, and level 3. And which means level 1 is the lowest and is the default water level, and level 2 and level 3. So each of the LED indicator is controlled by the push buttons. So when you push the push button, the LED will add 1 and add until level 3, and it will come back to level 1. So that means there's a loop there. And we move to the next one, which is the time taken. Means you want extra time for the washing machine to run. And you can see there is 3 modes, which is extra 10 minutes, extra 20 minutes, and extra 30 minutes. So each of the LED light is controlled by the push buttons here. So that means when you push, and it will add 1 by 1, add 10 minutes, add to 20 minutes, and extra 30 minutes. So okay, this basically is the trigger button and the standby and start buttons. After you have choose the LED lights, the mode for the washing machine, and choose the water level, so you can start for the standby mode. And this BCD 7 segment, which is to display the time taken for the washing machine. Okay, now I'm going to I'm going to simulate this washing machine project. Okay, now we choose the mode for the washing machine. I choose wash, rinse, and spin, which is 10 minutes. Time taken for wash is 10, rinse and spin also. So which means here total is 30 minutes. And now I'm going to choose the water level for the washing machine. So I choose level 1. I choose level 2. If you exit, which means so now I choose level 3, and as you can see, I press one more time and it will return to level 1. So it's okay. Let's move to the next one, which is select the time taken for the washing machine, which that you want extra time, extra washing time. So I will choose extra 10 minutes. Okay, now extra 10 minutes is start. So now we will push this button to start the washing machine. So as you can see here, the total up is basically 50 minutes, and it here basically is 40 minutes, and here will display 40, and you can see the standby mode is standby, so that means the washing machine are ready to use. So when I press the button here, and the washing machine will start to count. As you can see, here the standby mode is off, which means the washing machine is running. So after the counter have count finish, then the counter will blink 2-3 times. So that means the washing machine had already finished washing, and as you can see, the standby mode has already done. Have already lights up. That means the washing clothes have already done. Thank you. That's all for me. Thank you.